Hi guys, this is Jessie from CARKU. Today I will introduce one lightweight project start for you. It's of Empower 171 and it with 8,000 mAh battery capacity and the peak current is 500 ampere, so it can jump start up to 3-liter gasoline cars. And it with 2 USB output ports. One of them is the quick charge output port, one micro USB input port, and one LED light. There are 3 modes for this LED light. One lightning mode, one SOS mode, and one flash mode. And this design with the groove anti-sliding design, edge design, so you can hold it very tightly and it cannot fall easily. Okay, this is our Empower 171.